What's up, guys? We're back. If this is your first time, welcome. To all of my adoring fans, welcome back. I am drinking Lazy River Hazy IPA by Kern River Brewing, and I deserve it today, and I'll tell you why. I finally got that ash out. It's gone. Gosh, I've been out here for about an hour and a half working on it. What a pain. I finally had to pull out my Milwaukee little hand chainsaw, and that has made a huge difference. I was avoiding using it just because I don't want to get my chain kind of like gunked up with any sand or dirt or debris or anything like that that could damage it. But at the end of the day, I was like, you know what, I got to get this thing out today. So I had to pull it out, and now it's out. So we're drinking, we're gonna enjoy this. So here's my plan. The main reason why we're doing this is so we can plant an avocado right here. This is a really good spot. We got afternoon, there's a fence right here, if you can see the fence. So the sun sets kind of like towards that direction over there. So I have a warts or little Cado or dwarf hybrid, whatever they want to call it. I know they call it little Cado, and it's probably a bad thing that they name it a little Cado because people think that the fruit are little, but actually the tree's little and the fruits are actually kind of big. So that's the plan. But since it's kind of late and I got to do some other stuff, I'm gonna water this hole in to allow the water to kind of go all the way around, and that way it's going to help with not sucking up the water from the root ball when I actually throw it in. So that's something that I learned, and it's really been helpful, and you guys should probably do it too. Look at all this dirt I had to move to kind of get it in. I'm also kind of dreading because I have another ash right here. You see that? That's going to be coming out. That's going to be a pain also. So we'll see. My plan is to do the warts right here, and maybe do my holiday right here, or do another little Cado, and then do a holiday where my roses are at on the side there. I don't know if you can see that, but what a pain, but it's gonna be worth it, I hope. So we'll see. Here's the big old trunk for size reference. It's crazy. I kind of need to pull out this rose bush also if I want to do another avocado right here. So anyways, follow along if you guys are interested in seeing. I'm probably gonna put it in tomorrow and mulch it up, and then I will kind of show you guys tomorrow. So I will input some footage from earlier today where I was trying to pull this thing out right now. It's taking way longer than I thought. I've been out here for about an hour. I got all of the roots underneath, and there's still one more sticking out going in that direction. So let me see if I can get a little closer. That one root right there. It's coming out. I mean, it's finally wiggling. But we're gonna keep on working on this. I'm not giving up. Okay, I think I got it. Oh yeah, finally. There it is out. I got my glove there for size reference. Oh man, it's a lot of work. So this hazy IPA is actually really good. I deserve it. I wish it wasn't so expensive. I mean, it's like $13.99 for 4 beers, so it's like a pint each. But that's the price you pay for decent beer, microbrew. Anyways, here it is. I brought it down. The little Cado, going to go in right behind it. All right. Subscribe if you want to see some more avocado action, some more pains of digging trees out to plant an avocado, some more joys of having fruit once you get some fruit. We'll see. Anyways, cheers. You guys have a good one. Later.